Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vick. I really want to say thank you to my new subscribers, and if this is your first time of visiting this channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. So guys, in today's video I am going to be talking about how to add weight in the right places using natural fruits and natural products. We all know that fruits consumption is nice, but the right ones to combine and how to combine them effectively is what really matters. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will always be informed and notified anytime I add a new video. This is banana. We all know the importance of banana. If you want to gain weight first, okay, and also glow while you are adding, it's important you consume banana. Why we recommend banana for weight gain is that it contains almost 135 calories and contains lots of natural sugars. You know, when the sugars are converted, it can turn to body fat. So if you want to gain weight, it's important you consume banana because of the calories and sugar quantity. And then I also have apple. This apple contains almost 60% calories. Apple contains almost all the 6 classes of food. So when you want to add up, get these foods. And then I have pig milk. You can get any milk of your choice, either yogurt, anyone that has a lot of calorie, okay? Because we are looking at weight gain. Why I like this product I'm recommending today to you people is because it will make you to add up naturally and make your skin to be glowing as well. And at the same time, it's not going to give you big tummy like the whole products that they sell in the market, okay? And then I have raw egg and avocado pear. And I have watermelon. You know, watermelon is nice because it contains a lot of water, and your system need a whole lot of water to keep you hydrated, to keep you glowing and gorgeous. So make sure you watch to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to combine these foods. It's not advisable to just be eating it. When you're eating it, you're not going to get the kind of results which you're supposed to get if you do it this way. Watch to the end as I show you how to combine this together to gain weight in the right places. So this is how to produce your weight gain fruit juice. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Guys. Oh my god, guys. Drink it morning and night and you see yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I love you guys.